Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine and today I'm going to share with you the haul that I did for Publix. I just finished doing the haul and there's so many good deals. I was impressed how many good deals are there. I had to do a few transactions, meaning I had to go to different stores to actually complete and buy everything that I had in my list. So I want to share with you just in case you haven't bought stuff in Publix. It is a good place to go. Like I mentioned in my 10 freebies video, Publix was the first place that I actually started couponing, and it's pretty easy, especially if you're starting. So I hope that this video is easy for you to understand, for you to follow, especially if you're starting with couponing. If you have any comments or questions, just leave them in the comment section. That way I could help you out, especially if you're a newbie or if you don't understand something. So thank you so much for watching. Let's just get started with the haul. That way you'll see exactly what I purchased and the coupons that I use. So let's get started. Do you remember when you used to pay full price? Everything you see in the picture would have been $81.89, and that was me. I used to pay full price, sometimes not even name brand, because I used to buy it in Walmart or bulk in Sam's. But through couponing, I was able to get everything for less than $10, $9.42. So from $81 to $10. This is why I love couponing. And like I mentioned, this is the first place that I started couponing. So if you're new, just say those days are behind you, and I'm going to try to help you be able to save money as well. So let's just get started. Like I mentioned, I just can't believe $81.89, and everything came out to $9.42. So this is the first item that I purchased. To do this deal, what you do need is a coupon from Smart Source of the book that we received last Sunday, June 16, and a coupon from the purple flyer. So you will get that as soon as you walk into Publix. They have the green and the purple. Select the purple, and I'm going to show you in the picture there the coupons that I did use for this item. This item is not on BOGO, but it's on special 2 for $4. And as you can see, the regular price would have been $2.52. So now you buy 4 and you're already saving $1.04 on this deal alone. Then you will use that purple coupon that's going to deduct 2 of 2, which is in the purple flyer. And then you're going to use 2 coupons of 50 cents off 1. But I saw that some people got $1 off 2, but at least it's going to be on that book. And your total just going to be $1 or 50 cents for each item. So this is a pretty good deal, since if you look at the size of the Palmolive dish soap is 20 ounce. So these are the big bottle. So I was able to do this too, and I think I'm going to go back and I'm going to get 2 more for this product. The next deal, I wasn't planning to do this one because in one of the stores it was like around $3, but when I went to the store it was for $2.92. And these are the sharing size. So all you need is a coupon that also came from last Sunday's book from Retail Me Not, June 16. It's going to deduct $1 off 2, and since they're already $2.92, they're on BOGO, you're already saving $2.92. Use that coupon. That's going to deduct $1 when you buy 2, making it $1.92 or just 96 cents for each bag, which is crazy. You're almost saving $2 per bag. That's $4 in savings right there if you take advantage of the BOGO deal and using that coupon that came on last book from Sunday, June 16. So this was a pretty good deal, and that's like I mentioned, I wasn't gonna get this, but I purchased it because I saw the price was pretty low. Ragu Simply is on BOGO. Any Ragu sauce is on BOGO for $2.69 is the price I saw in my store. The good thing is that there is a printable coupon, so you shouldn't miss out, because I believe it was still available. So I'm going to put that in the description box so you could print it. And you will need your Ibotta app, because they're giving 50 cents off 1, and it's a limit up to 5. I did this 4 times, so I was able to get cash back of $2. But there's only specific flavors that Ibotta is giving you cash back, and it's only for the Ragu Simply. So just make sure you purchase the one I'm showing you. And Chunky Marinara, this pasta sauce, it is included for the Ibotta offer. They have 4 flavors that they are included. All you have to do is go to Publix, buy 4 or buy 2, use this printable, then submit your receipt to Ibotta. That is going to give you back $1 if you purchase 2, making it 69 cents or 35 cents for each item. If you're new, I'm going to provide that in the description box. That way you could join Ibotta and you could print this coupon as well, so you don't miss out, because 35 cents for a jar is crazy. That's a really good deal. This one is a hot deal. I saw this on Instagram and I was so thankful that I believe it was Sophie Coupons, the one that shared this offer. This one, I've been to, I don't know how many Publix I went to, and luckily I was able to find 4, but they were out. If you're going to Publix, sometimes they stock up on Saturday, so just check with your store. But if not, get a rain check and they will honor the green flyer coupon. Since it expires soon, just make sure that you do get some of these coupons because some of the stores already don't have the green flyer just in case. So the deal is buy 4. They're a regular price for $2.19, but if you buy 2, you get 2 free. That's the promo. You could use 2 coupons from the green flyer, deducting 2 off 2. So since you're buying 4, you could use 2 of these coupons that it's going to deduct 4, making it 10 cents each item. So that's a really good deal. But just don't be surprised if your store doesn't have any. Just ask for a rain check. And the funny thing is that when we asked for a rain check, they already had them printed out. And there's many of those drinks to choose from. Another item that's on BOGO is a Sargento shredded cheese. There is this coupon that would expire on Saturday. If your store accepts Target, this will be perfect. That means that they accept coupons from competitors like Target. So what you could do is use a coupon. There was some printable coupons, but it didn't last long. So you was able to print them. It does say Sargento Reserve Series shredded natural cheese. So those are the cheese that I did purchase. So what I did was I bought 8 for $4.19. That's the price in my store. And since they're on BOGO, it was buy one get one. I used 8 of those coupons. You could print it if you have the printable but there's no longer available, or in your smart store 6 too. So I was able to use 8. And I used that coupon from Target that it says they will give back a $5 Target gift card if you spend $15. What they did was, instead of giving me a gift card, they just deducted the $5 from my receipt. And my total came out to $3.76 for everything, or 47 cents each. But that was because I purchased the Reserve, which is also on BOGO. If you don't have the Target coupon, what you could do is just buy 2 and use the BOGO deal, buy 2 for $4.19. Use 2 coupons, deducting 2, and it's going to come out to $2.19 for both, which is still a pretty good deal. It's more than half off, especially when you're buying. So the next deal is one that I saw on Instagram as well, but this one did not go smoothly, so that's why I didn't even bother to do it again. I was ready to even return it. So what you do is buy 2. What I did was I bought 2 of the Aveeno Positively Radiant Moisturizer for $5.99, and it should deduct $3. That's a deal. Buy 2 get 3 off. And it should have deducted $3. That's where the problem went. It did not deduct $3, but the coupon for $4 did go through smoothly. I didn't have any problems with that. So I used 2 of those printables that is no longer available for moisturizer. So I deducted $8 in total, making it 49 cents each. But like I said, it wasn't like, it did not go smoothly. This one did go smoothly, and this one is free. This one will continue until the coupon expires or the purple flyer ends, and I'm surprised that I'm still keep seeing a lot in my stores. So what I did was I purchased another one of this one. I purchased one from last week's shopping trip, so I purchased one on this trip. So just buy one. They're on special. The regular price is $5.99. They're on special for $3.50. Use the coupon, deducting $2.50 from Smart Source June 9th. And there is a coupon in the purple fly that's going to deduct $1. So right there is free. So that was an easy deal to do. And it had no problems doing that. So I wanted to share with you, as you can see, I did different transactions. I went to a few stores, and these are all the items that I was able to get in different transactions. The thing I was able to submit, I love submitting my receipt in Ibotta. As soon as I finish paying, I just put the receipt in my shopping cart, and I do that right there. Just in case I have any problems, I could just return it or exchange it for the right product, like it did happen for the Ragu, because I got the roasted garlic product. But everything else was pretty smooth, and like I mentioned, from $80 something to less than $10, this was a pretty good haul, and that's what I wanted to share with you. So I also included this by detail in my blog, excitedforcoupons.com, and you could visit me or follow me on Instagram, which I also share them there. So Thank you so much for watching and for your support. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. So until the next video, bye.